Alright, it's a little late. I don't have any idea how much anybody can see. Already cleaned up the battery. This is about twice the size of battery that's supposed to be in here. We're gonna go ahead and try to find somewhere to put that, I guess. These are the two positive cables that I'm sure you just can't see a dang thing. Let me move this light. It's just like the sunlight right in my eyes, but that's all good. These are the Walmart special terminals. It never starts. Hopefully that's not an omen. Actually did have a terminal sitting up here, but somebody lost the bolts out of the bottom of it, so it looked pretty crusty. I didn't really want to try fighting and cleaning that up. Oh yeah, let's just torque that guy on there. Oh yeah, excellent. Positive. I gotta go grab the approved battery straightener. Alright, here's the approved battery straightener thingy. I'm sure that made absolutely no sense. I'm not going to tighten it on there or nothing. I want to just loosen up that it won't work. We'll hit this one and see what kind of sparking we get. Nothing. That's good, I guess. Yeah, she's a bit crusty. This is clamped down way too much. I don't think that's the right size. Okay, I'll have to go get the dang proper size wrench. What I mean by the proper size wrenches is a 1/2 inch, which is the right size, and 13, because I ain't got 2 1/2 inches. Looks like somebody's turned that clear around in there before. I'll put that back safe. Put those somewhere safe. Get the approved battery straightener thingy tool. Somebody got some washers on there. I don't see any sparking. That's too loose. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it down just a hair till she's kind of snug, but you can pull it off in a pinch. Keep going. It's on there. Move my junk. I'm gonna go in the cabin here. I'm gonna turn that key over. Hopefully nothing catches on fire. I do have a fire extinguisher. I don't think it was spinning over fast enough to get let loose and fire off, but I got the Super Tech starting fluid slash brake clean slash whatever. Well, get ready for a fireball. Yeah, my battery doesn't have enough oomph. This was the battery out of my kid's truck. I got a battery charger. I'm gonna throw it on the charger, see what it'll do. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do anything tonight though. Alrighty, I got my Centec battery charger. We're gonna go ahead and hit this with the trickle charge. Boom. It did charge up before. It says 75, but who knows. Okay, yeah, I'll come out here tomorrow in the daylight. I'll pop this off. Should have done that first. Make sure there's no junk in there. Probably just sucked all that crap in the carburetor. It's too dark to really screw with it, but hey, it turns over. We're gonna get that battery charged up overnight. Tomorrow we'll see if anything happens. Somebody put fuel filter in here. You know, these fuel lines look gnarly, but I should be able to just unhook this line. I believe that's from the tank. That way, if that fuel pump does work, I ain't sucking up a bunch of varnish, basically. So I'll come back tomorrow, see what happens. All right, next morning, went in and just popped that off of there. Something weird, like we're missing something here. It's off the old carb. I'm not gonna mess with it right now. It just, I'm just trying to see if it'll kick off. Let's see. Key on. Just get a little bit of a, well, not really any spark. Went ahead and tested for voltage at the coil. Down here, yeah, almost. That's good. So presumably it should have some spark capability of it. That's about it. I didn't put any water in it. I did disconnect the filter just because. Alright, well, I'll set it up in tripod. We'll see if it kicks off or not. Okay, cool. Well, we saw this one's a runner. It didn't sound great, but you know, who knows how long it sat. Might free up a bit. That's all I'm gonna do on this one for now. I think it's too straight for me to be cutting apart like I'm gonna have to be doing. It does need the floor, but it came with the floor. It's got all kinds of extra stuff in here. You know, the roof, I can come back and straighten all that out. You know, now that I have one, I can see what it's supposed to look like. It'll make it a lot easier to fix up the body on this guy here. I mean, there ain't a whole lot left, but I can make it work. I'm gonna keep whatever I can there ain't much in the back here that's worth crap. But, you know, I got all this stuff off of the engine, this carburetor, starter, plastics. Like I said, that one was missing that timing cover. You know, I got the one off of this one here. I'll definitely keep that. You know, I got the block transmission head for whatever it's worth. I'll get it tore apart in case we need any parts. And yeah, that one will go into storage. And that will be a future series. So I'm going to continue on with this one. I've already talked about that quite a bit in the other videos, my plans on it. So I won't bore you with that. But that'll be a different video. So that's all I'm going to do for this one.